In this video, we'll look at electrolysis experiments and half equations, part of your IGCSE Chemistry course. By the end, you'll be able to do three things. First, recall the products for four named electrolytes. Second, write balanced electrode half equations. And third, describe a safe, reproducible aqueous electrolysis, practical. Molten lead bromide forms, lead at the cathode and bromine at the anode. Concentrated aqueous sodium chloride forms hydrogen at the cathode and chlorine at the anode. Dilute sulfuric acid forms hydrogen at the cathode and oxygen at the anode. Aqueous copper 2-sulfate with inert electrodes forms copper at the cathode and oxygen at the anode. For lead ions at the cathode, lead 2 plus gains 2 electrons to form lead atoms. For hydrogen, 2 hydrogen ions gain 2 electrons to make 1 hydrogen molecule. For copper, copper 2 plus gains 2 electrons to form copper atoms. All cathode equations show reduction by electron gain. Check that both atoms and total charge balance. At the anode, 2 bromide ions lose 2 electrons to form a bromine molecule. 2 chloride ions lose 2 electrons to form a chlorine molecule. When oxygen forms in an aqueous solution, 4 hydroxide ions form oxygen, 2 water molecules and 4 electrons. Every anode equation here shows oxidation by electron loss. For a fair comparison, use equal volumes and concentrations, inert electrodes, and the same current and electrolysis time. Collect gases separately above each electrode. Test only small samples and record gas, electrode, and solution observations. Wear eye protection. Chlorine and bromine are harmful, so demonstrations involving them require suitable ventilation and no inhalation of products. Repeat the experiment and label anode and cathode clearly before matching observations to half equations. Let's check what you've learned. Question 1. What forms at the cathode in copper sulfate solution? Question 2. Write the hydrogen cathode half equation. Question 3. Why are chlorine experiments ventilated? Pause the video and have a go. 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. 1. Copper with inert electrodes. 2. 2H+, plus 2E. H2. 3. Chlorine is toxic and must not be inhaled. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more IGCSE science revision. My revision workbook is available from the link in the comments.